Physics is not just for smart kids. It's for the rebels who ask, wait, why does this even happen? That's you now. Today, I'm not giving you more study tips. I'm giving you the underground toolkit that makes physics feel easy. Teachers might think you're cheating, but no, you're just learning the right way.
Let's be honest. You read a physics page, you blink, and suddenly you're lost. Next thing you know, you're watching a video about what if Earth was a donut, and your brain says, we'll study later. Not anymore. Physics becomes easy when you stop treating it like information and start treating it like a lab experiment. Test it, play with it, explore it. Use simple visuals like stick figures, doodles, or animations like 3 blue 1 brown. Explain motion or forces using everyday objects, a bottle cap, your phone, a water bottle. Use colors to organize ideas. Red equals forces, blue equals energy, green equals motion. Your brain remembers visuals way better later. Take every formula and slow it down. Example, V equals U plus AT. It's just how fast you get when you keep accelerating. That's it. Your brain goes, oh, that's all? Before solving anything, ask, what's happening here? Who's moving? What's changing? Turn every problem into a mystery, not just a calculation. After learning a topic, do a 20-minute speed run. Solve as many questions as possible. Don't stop too long on any one problem. Then review mistakes for 10 minutes. When a question feels hard, use this. Draw it. List values. Identify concept. Then attack it with the formula. Chewing gum while studying can help memory. Lo-fi music improves focus, no lyrics. And revising before sleep helps retention. If you think physics is boring, you just haven't learned it your way yet. You don't need to be a genius. You just need a system. See it, understand it, test it, explain it, repeat. That's not cheating. That's next-level learning. And that's you now. Comment, Apple fell, if you're ready to beat physics. I'll reply to as many as I can. Let's make physics fun again.